Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Mail and using internet accounts to add your address. This connects system services and enables sync. Enter your email and password, and if your provider uses advanced settings, choose IMAP so messages stay on the server. Once done, select Mail and any other toggles like contacts or calendars to share account data. Make sure two-factor prompts are completed. This is why Mail can fetch secure messages and push changes across devices. You now shape how Mail behaves. Create mailbox folders and smart mailboxes to surface important messages without manual searching. Then open Preferences to define rules that automatically move, flag, or forward incoming mail. Test each rule so it triggers correctly. Also tweak viewing and threading so conversations stay grouped, and set message preview lines to balance detail versus screen density. These steps save time and explain why your inbox becomes predictable. You finish by composing messages and using send later or mail drop for big attachments so you never lose context. Use the search bar with from, subject, or custom tokens to find messages instantly. This is faster than manual scanning. If something goes wrong, for example, mail won't send, check SMTP and IMAP settings in internet accounts, restart Mail, and re-authenticate. Doing that resolves most sync or delivery problems and gets your workflow back on track.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.